Welcome back to RBC Talk. So today is the 24th December. So tomorrow is a holiday, and today because of that Wednesday expiry, like Bank Nifty expiry, is moved to today, right? So today is a monthly expiry of Bank Nifty, and we are looking at the Nifty chart. And let's quickly look at how market respected our levels and Nifty, how it overall, how is it trend, and what happened in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both we will quickly discuss on this one. Okay, so market opened at this level, and if you see this red line is VWAP from yesterday, and the high of the week, so basically high and low of the week. If you see low is here, these levels will remain same for this week, and the daily levels are actually high of the day, low of the day, right? So when market opened here, we clearly communicated don't consider anything PE here because this high of the week definitely will act as a strong support. But when we had seen this kind of a reversal pullback from this level to this level, especially at this candle, when we see the kind of a strong upside candle crossing multiple things, right? Yesterday's VWAP and the daily level and the VWAP of today's VWAP, all these are being crossed here. We clearly communicated we can go ahead with the CE, considering 23,750 CE or 23,700 CE, right? And within like 40 minutes, we had seen like from 23,760, we've seen like 23,860, right? So quick 45 minutes, 100 points up, right? And this level definitely will act as a resistance is what we know that. And only once we see any closure above this back-to-back candles, we can consider the next target, right? So probably at least if you were to consider two lots or four lots, 50% of this definitely need to be booked. And when we see a reversal, yeah, we can actually exit it, right? So once you see in a back-to-back candle here, again a reversal, right? So this kind of like this is a candle of a confirmation, but when we see this kind of a pullback, we need to wait. Definitely we can take a PE here when we see this kind of a thing, and this is a stop loss, and yeah, probably yeah today it really worked. In fact, I had taken a after seeing these two, I had taken a PE and we booked some profit here, but it didn't touch this level. And again, here it break this level. Okay. So if you see this Bank Nifty in line to this, then we can actually make out some money in the Bank Nifty also. Okay. But mostly Bank Nifty is in a flat today. We'll talk about that. Okay. And at the end of the day, if we see the last almost like 1.5 hours, the market is actually trying to go down, but a lot of pullbacks are happening. And this candle tested this high of the week also today, and then there's a pullback here. Now I want to show you one more thing, one more level of confirmation what I use. If you see, there are a couple of things I didn't disable it. Okay, but if you see, this is a daily 200 SMA. SMA day on a daily time frame. This is a SMA. You see this exactly this tested. This is a weekly VWAP and 200 SMA on a daily time frame, which is on a reason why it has been pushed back here. See, this is CPR today, right? We all know CPR, right? So this CPR, the entire trading happened within the CPR, and most of the time, this trading is happening at the CPR level for almost like from 2 o'clock to 3:30, right? So that's one more level of this script definitely will help a little more for a double confirmation. When we see an upside momentum above the CPR and crossing the daily levels, we can take it as a strong confirmation to take it on a higher side. And if you see, this is a monthly pivot, weekly pivot. I actually use this as a double confirmation. Okay, we didn't actually never shown this in the previous videos, but monthly and weekly pivots also will play an important role when we are considering it as a strong support or a resistance. Okay, today anyway, those are not in kind of we won't be able to see it in this today's trading window. This level seems to be kind of a reversal region, right? If you go back and see, this is the one, right? We always need to look at the left side of the chart, and this high is a reason why it got rejected. Don't worry about the R1, S1 and all. Okay, for us, it's a daily, weekly, monthly levels what we display using a magic indicator. We'll take care of that one. But here, this level is the one reason why it has been pushed because there is a huge number of sellers there, right? Okay, so now quickly we'll go back to the Bank Nifty. And try to understand what happened in the Bank Nifty also. Okay, so now this is a Bank Nifty chart. Let me disable this one for a minute. Okay, so if you see market open on the negative note, and we're seeing the low of the day is going to definitely act as a strong support, right? We waited for this, and I took in one CE trade here, but after that Bank Nifty is completely on the flat, right? So if you see 51,300 is a high and 51,200 is a 51,150 is a low. Not even that much. 100 points the entire day, and this is not a day for Bank Nifty trading, right? So this is a sideways, complete sideways market. Now, quickly, I will show on the where is the CPR and what happened. CPR is somewhere here because yesterday market is this one, and this is the CPR today, and the trading happened above CPR level. And for Bank Nifty also, monthly pivots, weekly pivots are here. And one more important thing is going forward, right? From to after once day after tomorrow, that's on the 26th December. Once the Bank Nifty expiry is done, so there won't be much volume. The reason is the kind of like each lot is right now we are trading with the 25. The lot size is 25 in the Nifty. I think that's going to get increased to 75, and Bank Nifty will be monthly expiry, and Sensex also only Sensex and BSE Sensex and the Nifty are the only weekly expiry, right? So there are a lot of changes considering the kind of like the lot size. Definitely, the volumes are going to come down, right? So I'll go back to the Nifty while we are talking about this. So that reduces the volume, that reduces probably will reduce the volatility of how these trends are moving, right? So probably, we all need to take a little time to understand how the market is behaving. We don't need to jump in and try to kind of like, take 25, just take 4 lots, 5 lots, 10 lots kind of a thing. Probably may not happen starting from next week. Okay, so we need to be prepared for that. And for that reason, I'm planning to actually add a couple of stocks which break out from an options point of view. Okay, so we will do that as part of this series. Everyone made some profit out of this, and these levers are effectively working for you. If any of you find it difficult, if you need any support, please feel free to ping me, and mostly I'll be available and I can help you at any point of time. Okay, so thank you very much. So we'll talk about what is expected market for Thursday. We don't actually predict anything, as you all know about me. So we once the market opens, we wait for the first candle and then plan our trade. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay, good night.